This jump demonstration shows how to perform the F-test for equal variances. We'll use the body fat percentage data table. Body fat percentage was measured for 13 men and 10 women. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Fit Y by X. Body fat percentage is the Y, group is the X. Then I'll click OK. The Oneway report shows a graph of body fat percentage by group. Visually, the spread in both groups looks similar. To test the hypothesis, I'll click the red triangle next to Oneway analysis, then select Unequal Variances. The graph shows the standard deviation for each group. The table gives the F-test p-value, which is large, indicating the equal variance assumption of the two-sample t-test seems valid. The other tests given in the table test the same hypothesis with different test statistics that might be useful when assumptions are violated.